Good morning, folks. So it's 8:49 a.m. in Amsterdam. So welcome to the pre-market review. We are trying to see what the market has done overnight and what it is expected to do this morning and what would be my strategies if it does so. So I want to make this pre-market video so that you guys can understand how I am trying to build up the whole trade before the market opens, have my strategies in place, see what kind of action the market is going to make. So we'll start with the FTSE first. On a daily chart, on a daily chart, the FTSE is within the range. As you can see, it's just moving up and down in this particular range. It has not moved out for a long time. So my trade idea would be, if it moves down below this level and closes back up, I would look for a long. And if it does so from the opposite side, so if the market moves out of the range over here and then comes back and closes around here, then I would look for a short. On a 30-minute chart, as of now, I don't see any trading signals for me. We have to wait and see what kind of market action we will be able to see. As of today, the whole market is moving on the up direction because we see a small corrections and high push towards the high always. So every time the market moves down, we are seeing buyers step in. So that's about the FTSE. Excuse me. Then coming to the DAX. DAX is currently the same. If I look at it on a daily chart, I can see a small spring setup that has already been triggered. So if I can show it to you, where is it? Yeah, got it. So market went up, came down, went back up again, just triggered the lows and closed back up. Now, because we have a typical spring setup, as you can see, the market just took out all this lows, the liquidity that was lying around below this level. Now the market has just pushed up and closed very strongly. On a daily chart, this particular candle on 18 September was a very strong close. So this confirms the spring setup, and usually the spring setup, in some of the cases, the market goes back and kisses the level. So it came back right down to 23,500 level or 450 level. It went through that level and then just went back up and closed in. So this confirms we are going to see a significant upside from this, particularly in the DAX. We can see for the first target to be at 24,600, and if it breaks that level, we might see a significant highs again. We can push towards 25,000. As of now, we are just waiting for the signal. On a 30-minute chart, I am expecting a spring setup to come to play. So market ran up, came back down, went back up again. So if it breaks this level on a very high speed and high volume, I don't usually take volume into consideration of my analysis, but as of now, if it breaks down fast and then closes back up again in this particular range above 23,600, then I would look for longs. it might not even come down to this level. If the buyers are very bullish, it would just break past this level. There is a complete buy below this level. Every time the market pushed below 23,500, buyers stepped in. So I feel the market is going to go up, and I'm just looking for longs right now. So I'll trade my setup when it comes, but I have to be prepared. Talking about Nasdaq, as of now, no signs of weakness in the Nasdaq. Yes, there were a couple of correction candles, but I feel the market is still bullish. I might be a bit cautious because we are on the higher end of the range, and market might just reach 25,000 before it gets sold off again. So we are just waiting. We don't know where the market is going to go. We can just try and predict, but it's never a sure shot. So currently the market is at a fib retracement or a fib extension level. So it has just crossed this level and then came back down again. It's not a very confirmed short call. We have to see when the market starts pushing lower. Same with the Dow. Market pushed up. You can see there is one beautiful spring over here. There is no exact shoulder, but it usually works on a daily chart. Not a problem on a daily chart. On an hourly chart or a 30-minute chart, I prefer to have a shoulder. So it went back down, closed back up again, and then just we could see it pushed towards the high. If you can correlate it with the DAX, what it is doing right now, it's the same. It's just sitting up here, close back up again, consolidating, and then we might see a significant push towards the highs. So talking about the Forex market as of now, on a daily chart, the euro dollar is still bullish. I am looking for longs now. Yesterday I took some positions on the short side, highly profitable. Now we are looking at the market which is just consolidating. Now there is a small upthrust setup that I am waiting for. If it breaks through this level and then close back down again, then I would be looking to sell and add to the position for a significant downside. But what I see right now is a double bottom over here. Market can just go through this level usually when the market consolidates over here, and then it has a strength to push through that level. My idea is to just wait for the right setup. We really don't know what the market will do and when it will do it, so we have to just wait for the setups to come. The pound, so the British pound is doing the same. I was just waiting for the pound to show some sign of weakness. It's not yet showing any kind of weakness. We can just say the market might go to this level, a support resistance level. It might just push up and then just close back down again. So if it does that, I would look for short from here towards the downside. For the Japanese yen, still bullish. It was long for long time. So I wanted to enter a long position in the Japanese yen on a spring setup, but unfortunately it didn't trigger any spring setup for me. So it was just moving up without any kind of correction, maybe a small correction in between, but nothing significant for me to add. So this is what it is as of now, folks. I am expecting the market now to do what I want it to do, so I'm just waiting. It's going to open in another 30 seconds, so I'll take my leave. You take care of yourselves. Bye bye.